In an equity partnership, it's very similar to private money in that you will partner with somebody that typically has a massive amount of capital with you, and you will share in equity on the deal. They're fronting you the money to get everything done, but it is now your responsibility to make sure that that money that they've lended you is going to make capital. It's going to start making money. It's going to start making your returns. So you will share equity in that. So if you can take, again, let's use that same concept of a deal. Let's use the same hypothetical. If you're able to buy a $40,000 property to put in $35,000, make those numbers work, then you and your equity partner will share in the total difference between that $75,000 and $100,000 difference. And all of these options, when you're looking at hard money, private equity, equity partnerships, things like that, and there's different terms that all roughly mean the same thing. We are basing the investment on the deal. Can we make this deal work? And do we have the people that we know and trust getting it done? The great thing about those is you can invest with private money lenders or equity partners or even hard money with not only very little out of money or out of pocket money, but even with low credit. So when we're talking about how that looks with equity partnerships and things like that, it's really structured on what your roles will be. What is your role going to be? If you're not putting money in, then that means you're going to have to be putting in sweat equity. You're going to have to be out there with the general contractors or be the general contractor yourself or do the actual work yourself. You're going to have to be at the deal, at the project, making sure everything is going according to plan, making sure that all the numbers still fit in line with that budget sheet.